Good day everyone, my name is John Mark C. Baha. This is my visual aids presentation. Visual aids are tools or materials that help people understand and remember information by presenting it visually. They can be anything from pictures, charts, and diagrams to videos, models, and even real objects. Here are some types of visual aids. Number 1. Charts and graphics. These are excellent for presenting numerical data in a clear and concise manner. Different chart types cater to various data representations. Bar charts compare categories, pie charts show proportions, and line graphs illustrate trends over time. These are some examples of charts and graphs. Multi-level donut chart, angular gauge, dot plot, pie chart, sociogram, proportional area chart, waterfall chart, phase diagram, cycle diagram, population pyramid, box plot, three-dimensional stream graph, semicircle donut chart, topographic map, radar diagram. Number 2. Image. Photographs, illustration, and diagrams effectively communication complex ideas or concepts visually. Image can make abstract information more concrete, improving comprehension and memorability. Study tips. Set study goals. Collaborate with study partners. Test yourself. Number 3. Objects and props. Using real objects or props directly related to your topic can create a powerful and memorable impact. This approach adds a tangible element, making the presentation more engaging and easier to understand. Example, books.